In this video, I want to show you how to replace your fuel tank straps. These are the two straps that support the fuel tank. So to do that, we're going to have to take off this shield here, and then we can replace one strap at a time without lowering or disconnecting anything. Let's get started. Now to start, I have my transmission jack with a fuel tank attachment here, and I'm going to put some pressure on this shield so that I can support it so that it doesn't fall down when I unbolt it. So now with it being supported, I'm going to unbolt the rear strap first. There's a 10mm bolt here, pretty rusted, but it's still there, so let's remove it. And looking at the front of the tank, you can see the other one right between the drive shaft and that shield. There's the second. And then on the side with the frame, there will be two mounting bolts on each part that comes up onto the frame. 10mm socket still. On the back of the tank, there are two more. All right, so this shield is now free to come down. Lower this down. Let's support the fuel tank now. This is a plastic tank. So what I have here are these little pads. They're soft. They will kind of squish up against the fuel tank. You don't want to use anything that will potentially stab it or damage it. So don't use a jack stand or the metal pad of the jack. Put a piece of wood in between if that's what you're using. Just make sure you don't damage it. Put a little bit of pressure on it. Don't crush it. For the front strap, there's going to be one mounting bolt between the drive shaft and the fuel tank itself. These are going to be 13mm in size. Remove this one. The strap will come down. And right on the frame, there will be another mounting bolt securing the other side of the strap. Also a 13mm. Remove this one as well. Hold the strap so it doesn't fall down. There's your strap. Take the bolt with the new strap, bolt it on, and now let's go to the other side. Form the strap around the tank, and let's put in the mounting bolt. Snug it up. Make it nice and tight. And let's do the same to this one on the outside of the frame. Let's do the same to the rear strap. You can see the mounting bolt is right there. And for the other side of the rear strap, you can see that it's bolted right onto the frame, just like the front one. Let's remove that bolt as well. Hold the strap so it doesn't fall down. Pull it straight down and out. Get your new strap and slide it in. Have a mounting bolt ready so you can thread it on. That way it'll stay here, situated in place, and you can get the other side started. Pull it up on this side. Snug it up. Come back to the first bolt and snug this one up as well. Now slowly lower the support. Everything should obviously stay in place. And let's get the shield on. We'll remount the shield. I'm going to start with the bolts that mount on the outside of the frame because these have no adjustment to them, whereas the other ones do have a little bit of wiggle room. So I want to make sure that it's situated here where it can't move, and then the other ones will basically just fall into place. Those are started. Put in the ones at the back as well. And now we're left with the ones on the inside of the frame. Lower your support, and there you have it. Fuel tank straps are replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.